Now let us take the one example and we will find out the rank of the matrix by using the elementary transformation. So let us consider the rank the matrix A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3, 1, 3, minus 2, 6, 3, 0, and minus 7. So since it is a 4 by 4 matrix, and if we go by the earlier approach by calculating the minor of order 4 and then 3, then it will be a very lengthy calculation. So instead of that, we can convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix form, and after that we can find out the rank. So we will try to convert this into the upper triangular matrix form. It means the elements below the diagonal, all these elements, I need to make it 0. So the first operation what I will apply here is R1 and R2 interchanging the row 1 and row 2. So I will get 1, minus 2, minus 4. Here I'll get 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1. And the remaining rows will be same 6, 3, 0 and minus 7. I made this element as 1 so that I can use this one in order to make the all the elements below the first element A11 to be 0. So the operation what I can apply here is R2. I'm applying the operation in R2, that is R2 minus 2R1 to make this element to be 0. Similarly in R3 minus 3R1, and in R4 I'm applying the operation R4 minus 6R1. So this matrix will take the form 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, and this will become 0, 5, 3, 7. This row will become 0, 4, 9, and 10. And similarly in the last row, I'm multiplying the first row by 6 and subtracting it from the sixth. So I'll get 0, 9, 12, 17. So the next of the I have made all the elements below A11 to be 0. Now the next step is to make the elements below A22 to be 0. And so on. The next I'll do is a element below A33 to be 0 in order to make this matrix into a upper triangular matrix form. So the next operation I will apply in R3, that is R3 minus 4 by 5 R2, and in R4 I will apply R4 minus 9 by 5 R2. So the idea behind applying all this is 4 by 5. Why it is 4 by 5? Because I am dividing by 5 and multiplying by 4, so this will become 4, and 4 minus 4 will become 0. Similarly here I'll divide by 5, multiply by 9, so 9 minus 9 will become 0 here. So what I'll get here is 1, minus 2, minus 4. There is no change in the first and second row. It will remain as it is. The third row, this is 0. This will also become 0. This will become 33 by 5. This will become 22 by 5. The last row will be 0, 0, 33 by 5, 22 by 5. So I have made the elements below A11 to be 0, all the elements below A2 to be 0. Now the next step is to make this element to be 0. So I can apply the operation R4 minus R3. that operation is performed in the row 4. So I will get 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 0 5 3 7 0 0 33 by 5 22 by 5, and the last row will become 0. So here I have converted the given matrix into upper triangular matrix form, and now I will check how many number of non-zero rows are there. So the rank of this matrix is equal to number of non-zero rows obviously it is after converting into upper triangular matrix form. So here I can see the number of non-zero rows. When a row will be called as a non-zero, here this row consists of 4 elements. Third row I am talking here. So the third row consists of 4 elements. If one of the element will be non-zero, then this will be called as a non-zero rows. So with this definition, if I go, then I can see the first row is a non-zero row, second row and the third row are the non-zero, whereas the fourth row is the 0 rows. So total number of non-zero rows here I can see is 3. So the rank of matrix is 3 in this case. And the idea behind converting it into upper triangular matrix form is to check and is to eliminate the rows which are dependent. So whenever I'll apply elementary transformation, then the rows which are dependent on the other row will become 0, and that's what is happening in the last row. It was a dependent row, so it became 0, and the other 3 rows cannot be obtained by multiplying or dividing by another row. So the total number of non-zero rows are 3. So the rank of this matrix is 3. Now I'll take the different kind of examples by which we can find out the rank of different problems. So let's take another matrix, example 2. Let us take this matrix as -1 0